So when I posted a deal of Asus stuff with RTX 2060, some of you guys told me that RTX variant is having bad thermals. So I wanted to see which are other base laptop having RTX 2060 and good thermals. So I found HP Omen and Lenovo 5Pi. But in this video we will be talking about Lenovo 5Pi. So watch the full video and I will tell you everything about it. Before starting, if you are new here and you end up liking the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give some feedback. So let's start with the build quality. This laptop is having a very good build quality. The lead and the keyboard deck, they are fully made with metal. While on the back panel, you will notice the presence of plastic. And this powerful gaming machine weighs 2.3 kilograms. So I'm not surprised considering that it's a gaming laptop. Now if we talk about the display, this laptop is having a very good 15.6 inch of 1080p screen. Of course it's an IPS panel and this screen covers 100% sRGB colors and 75% of Adobe RGB. And apart from that, this laptop supports Dolby Vision, has a 3 millisecond response time and it can go up to 300 nits of brightness. And of course it's an 144Hz screen. So in short, the screen will make you happy if you are a gamer or even if you are a content creator. For keyboard, the laptop is having a full-size keyboard and Lenovo is calling it a True Strike keyboard. But we will just stick to a good laptop keyboard. So this keyboard has a 100% anti-ghosting feature and the keys have a travel distance of 1.5mm with less than 1 millisecond of response time. So this keyboard is designed specially by considering hardcore gamers in mind. And of course it's an RGB backlit keyboard. You get 4-zone RGB which you can customize as you want. And coming to the IO ports, most of the ports of this laptop is on the back side, which some will like because it keeps the cables out of the sight, but also at the same time make it slightly difficult to access the ports. Anyway, on the back side you will see two full-size USB 3.1 and Type-C port which supports the display output, an HDMI port, an RJ45 LAN port and an barrel charging port. On the right side you will get one full-size USB 3.1 and on the other side there's again an full-size USB 3.1 and an 3.5mm headphone jack. So I guess there will be no complaints for the IO. This laptop is having lots of USB. And if the speakers in laptop are important for you, then this laptop is having a dual downfiring speaker, each of 2 watt. And it also supports Dolby Atmos but only with headphones. So that's the overview of the laptops. Now let's talk about its internals. So this gaming laptop from Lenovo is having Intel i7 10th generation CPU. It's slightly less powerful if we compare to Ryzen 7 4800H on the HP Omen. But don't get me wrong, this is a very powerful CPU. It's an hexacore CPU with 12 threads, fabricated with 14nm process, with a base frequency of 2.6 GHz and it can go up to 5 GHz with turbo boost. And it is having 12 MB of cache memory. And as you know, this CPU is paired with very powerful RTX 2060 with 6 GB of VRAM. And I don't think this GPU needs an introduction. So this combination will be enough to handle any game at 1080p or even 2K. And as the name suggests, you also get support for ray tracing. And to cool down this powerful CPU and GPU, Lenovo has done a very good job here. On the bottom side of the laptop, there is a large vent for air intake. And under the panel, it is having dual fan design which throw the heat out in 4 direction. Also on the software side, you have Lenovo ColdFront 2.0, which is really optimized to maintain the fan speed and has multiple modes depending on your need. For RAM, this laptop is having 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. It's a dual channel RAM and if you want more RAM in future, then you don't need to worry. Upgradability is not an issue here. You can go up to 32 GB whenever you want. And to upgrade it, you will have to remove both the 8 GB modules and install two 16 GB RAM modules. For storage, you get a very fast NVMe M.2 SSD with a storage capacity of 1 TB. And if you think this is not enough, you also get extra M.2 slot for adding another SSD. But you don't have an option to add an hard disk. Now for the battery backup, this laptop is having a 4-cell battery with 80 Wh of capacity, which I think is very good considering that it's a gaming laptop. You also get features like Rapid Charge Pro, which will fill up the battery to 50% in just 30 minutes. And once fully recharged, this laptop will easily give a screen on time of 4 or 5 hours with mixed usage. So overall, this is a very powerful machine with good build quality, good thermal management, very good screen and good battery backup. So should you buy this laptop? Well, this laptop is aimed for very hardcore gamers or creators who need a powerful machine around the price of 1,30,000. So if you are one of them, this laptop can be very good choice for you. But if you are a student who need to carry his laptop daily to the college, then this is not for you, especially because of the weight. So that's all from my side. Thumbs up if you like the video or thumbs down if you didn't. And let me know about your opinion in the comment section, or feel free to ask any question. Thanks, I will see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.